Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at capacity planning in Kelloo. Capacity planning involves understanding what resources you need to get your projects done. We will use a simple example to explain this powerful concept. Here we have a resource plan. Let's assume we have optimized the timings of the work as best we can and that we can't cut out or cancel any of the work. But we still have utilization issues around our development team. And we've decided the best option would be to increase the size of the development team to resolve the resource constraints we have. The question is, how many additional people do we need in the development team? To answer the question, we can use capacity planning. Before we start to use capacity planning, you need to make sure you have the adjustment row visible. Capacity adjustments let us model increases or decreases to the size of our resource pool. And note I said model changes to the resource pool because we are not changing the size of our actual resource pool when we use capacity adjustments. Remember, our resource pool represents the number of actual people we have available to us. Capacity adjustments let us put in variances to the headcount in the resource pool and see the effect. I start by adding a capacity adjustment to the development team covering a 4-week period. This is the period through which we have the resource shortfall. I then increase the number of people in the development team. Watch as I do this, how the utilization graph starts turning green. When we are done, we can see that by adding an additional 5 people into the development team will solve the problem. And we can see the utilization warnings in the plan have cleared also. That's all for today, guys.